Okay. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you to County Court at Law Number 2. My name is Judge Terrence Holmes. I'm the presiding judge here in County Court at Law Number 2. This morning we have 3 dockets. We have announcement docket, pretrial conference docket, and the jury trial docket. When I call your name, please come forward with your attorney. If your attorney is not here, then we will wait for your attorney to arrive. If you're representing yourself or if you do not have an attorney representing you, when I call your name, please come before the bench by yourself. First case is, let's see, cause number 24CCCR 2214. Case is style of state of Texas versus Delana Candace Bennett. Ms. Bennett
She is
is
present,
appearing
Judge.
via Zoom. Ms. Bennett, you can take your mic off of mute. Ms. Bennett, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And Ms. Bennett, you're representing your case by your attorney, Sean Villery Samuel. And Mr. Villery Samuel, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge.
That's good. State is represented in this case by attorney Farrah Nixon. Ms. Nixon, how are you doing?
Fine.
That's good. Now, Ms. Nixon, I have before me a motion to dismiss. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Ms. Bennett, I'm signing this motion to dismiss this case.
Thank you, Judge.
1 minute. Send this back to you. Did you send Bennett to me? This person is Britt Burmaster. Oh, no, you can send Burmaster back to me. Okay, Ms. Bennett, I'm signing the motion in order to dismiss this case.
Thank you.
Okay, you're free to go.
Thank you.
Have a blessed day. And Mr. Villery Samuel, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge. Y'all
Thank
have a
you.
good one.
All right, thank you. Next two cases are cause numbers 25 CCCR 0001 and cause number 25 CCCR 0002. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Jeffrey Scott Pope. Mr. Pope, would you please come forward? Okay, Mr. Pope, you can stand in front of the judge. Okay. Okay, Mr. Pope, your full name is Jeffrey Scott Pope, is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay, how are you doing?
Good.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Mr. Pope, the state is represented in these cases by Attorney Cornelius Williams. And Mr. Williams, how are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
Okay, now, Mr. Pope and Mr. Williams, on March 26th of 2026, the court held hearings on Mr. Pope's motion to dismiss and plead to the jurisdiction. Is that correct? Okay. And so the court has, court took this matter under advisement. At this time, the court will deny those two motions. Now, at this point, Mr. Pope, since you are pro se, you can reset your cases for trial on the pretrial conference docket. If you, okay. Pretrial conference is if you need more time to prepare for trial.
Yes, yes, I need more time.
Okay, so we're gonna reset this case. We're gonna give him a 30-day reset. You can get your resets from our court coordinator. Once you get your resets, you're free to go and you have a statement. Okay. Pretrial.
The announcements here.
You have an announcement. You say Brian is here, okay. Next case is cause number 26 CCCR 0314. Case is style of state of Texas versus Eduardo Aguilar Dinaris.
Yes, I'm here.
Zone.
I'm in too.
Okay, how are you doing?
I'm doing good on you.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Linares, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Dustin Galmore. And Mr. Galmore is not here. However, Mr. Galmore has Miss Haley Simmons, who is here, attorney Haley Simmons, who's here in place of Mr. Galmore.
Okay.
And does Ms. Simmons have your permission to stand in for Mr. Galmore?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Ms. Simmons, how are you doing?
I'm great, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Ms. Simmons, what is your announcement in Mr. Linares' case?
We're asking if we can keep it on this docket, Your Honor, so we can continue to work through discovery and have our client come in and meet with us.
A minute, let me take a look. So this is just, this is your first setting?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, we're gonna give them a 30-day reset,
Thank you.
first setting,
Did you first?
okay.
I'm keeping it on the announcement.
Yeah, yes, now have y'all received an offer on the case or any
We-
discovery?
So need to negotiate with the state.
Okay, we expect to have an offer and discovery by the next court date.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, okay. Now, Mr. Linares, your case has been reset to June 1st of 2026. You're gonna get your reset, well, your reset will be sent to your attorney and your bondsman. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. And on that
Okay.
date, Mr. Linares, you need to be in court in person,
Okay, that's fine.
okay?
Yes, sir.
So, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Okay. Eric Lee.
You wanna hold on this one on yourself?
Cal. Eric Lee Cacao. Is that right? There he is.
We may need to hold up this one, Your Honor. I think we're trying to confirm restitution, if that's fine.
Okay, we'll hold on it. Just have a seat. Michael James Marshall. Marshall. This is on pretrial. That's Miss Farrah Nixon's case. There's two cases. Mr. Marshall, you have two cases. They are cause numbers 24 CCCR 2797 and cause number 24 CCCR 2798. Both cases are Styles of State of Texas versus Michael James Marshall. And Mr. Marshall, is that your full name?
Yes, sir, it is.
How are you there, Mr. Marshall?
Doing well.
That's good. Now, Mr. Marshall, you are represented in your cases by Attorney Dustin Galmore. Attorney Galmore is not here, however. Attorney Haley Simmons is here. Does Ms. Simmons have your permission to stand in for Attorney Galmore? Okay, and Ms. Simmons, what's your announcement on Mr. Marshall's case?
Yes, Your Honor, it's the same announcement we've been making for going on probably a year now, but we had a blood discovery order that was signed in County Court Law 3, probably a week before it was transferred over here. It's changed 2 courts, it's changed maybe 3 or 4 prosecutors at this time, and the blood discovery wasn't sent off until just recently.
Oh, man.
So we are still waiting on that blood discovery and we have no idea. I have spoken with Farrah and she's doing great. She intends to call the lab, but that's the only thing holding this case up and it's been going on a year now.
Okay, then this case was transferred from County Court at Law number 3,
Correct, Your Honor.
and
And that was July of
so, I
last
mean,
year.
but you're saying that you had different prosecutors on there, and none of them sent it off?
Correct, Your Honor.
You might need to talk to Mr. Giblin on that. Okay. Now I'm gonna reset him 2 weeks. And so we can see what status on it,
Yes, Your Honor.
okay? It's going on too long. Okay, give us 2-week reset.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
That's Marshall, right?
Yes, Marcia. Yeah, you can get your reset. And you can get your reset from our partner. Once you get your reset, you're free to go on your blessed day. And stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. And you have anybody else?
Still staying on here. I need to negotiate with the state on that one.
Okay.
Thank you,
All right.
Judge.
All right, you can have a seat. Okay. Who's next? I think that lawyer, was it Macy? Yeah. Martin Enrique Gamez Jr. Oh, yeah. Just on your pretrial conference docket. Okay. Court is in session in two cases. They are cause numbers 25 CCCR 2545 and cause number 25 CCCR 1794. Both cases are styled in the state of Texas versus Martin Enrique Gamez Jr. And Mr. Gamez, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Gamez?
Doing fine, thank you.
That's good. Mr. Gamez, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney John Macy. Mr. Macy, how are you doing?
Fine, Your Honor.
That's good. Now, Mr. Macy, what's your announcement in Mr. Gamez's cases?
Your Honor, as you know, there's two cases, and in one of the cases, I'm still trying to, there's some discovery that I haven't gotten.
Okay, when you say you haven't gotten it, it's not
Well,
on the portal?
It's, they've been trying to get it to me. I'm missing the protective order, a copy of it, which is the allegation violation of a protective order. I don't even have it.
You say they trying to get it to you. What you mean they trying to get it to you?
I mean that I requested it from Mr. Williams, and he was looking for it, but he hadn't been able to find a copy of it to give to me yet. And then I was.
So you're saying that he doesn't have a copy?
I didn't say that, Judge. I said that he hadn't found one to give me. I don't know whether the state has one. They should have one.
I mean, if it's in the file, they have a copy. If it's not in the file, they don't have a copy.
Yeah, I don't know whether they have one in the,
So it's just,
but also,
now you say usually with Mr. Williams, but this is Miss Farrah Nixon's cases.
that's true, Judge, but it started out as Mr. Williams' case, I think, before Miss Nixon became a prosecutor here, and then it was shifted to her.
Okay, so what's the problem with the protective order? Has anybody inquired with the
I don't even know what it
It
said.
was actually a deferral that had happened within the case, Judge, and I.
Okay,
don't
but-
see that there's
okay.
I don't see where there's been
I don't,
a
I'm,
copy provided, Judge.
okay, let's stop for a minute. Okay, so the protective order is a civil case, right? It's a civil case, right? It was a protective order out of probably a family law case, right? You can go to the district clerk's office, pull a case and get a copy of it.
I think the emergency protective order occurred.
You say it's emergency protective order.
Correct. I think it's the
Okay.
emergency protective order which occurred as a result of the terroristic threat.
Okay,
You know, the first case is,
so nobody knows what a protective order is?
And we had like a deferral that went out, Judge, and hadn't been supplied
So you,
from the arresting agency. I will.
okay, we're gonna reset it 2 weeks.
Look again.
and also supposedly there was body cams, when the officer went, for the, having to do with the protective order, and so that I don't have a copy of either.
Okay, so you've been on the case at 5 months, and so you don't have that, okay? So we're gonna reset it 2 weeks and we see if we're gonna get everything in 2 weeks. Okay, all right. Let's give him a 2 week reset. Okay, these cases are reset to May 11, 2026. So we need a protective order and the body cam, right?
And any video that, body cam or otherwise on when they responded, to the alleged violation of the
Okay.
protective order.
Okay, that should have been Mr. Williams. If they have like a video or something, don't they have to make a separate request for that?
Correct, John.
Yeah,
Did you make that request?
I normally do, Judge, but I can't tell you off the top of my head whether I did or not. As
Okay,
general.
well, in 2 weeks, you should have it. I mean, you've been on it 5 months.
I
Okay,
understand. So what day did you resend it to, Judge?
May 11th. Okay. Okay, Mr. Gimme, as your case is reset to May 11th. Oh, let me back up. Now, there was another attorney on this case before you, right? Was it Christy Carlton?
I believe,
Have you checked with Christy Carlton to see whether or not she has that material?
no, Your Honor.
You might need to check with her too. She might have got it. Okay, so get your reset. Case is reset for 2 weeks. Okay. Okay, who else I think
I believe those are all.
that's the only 2 cases?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so you're free to go. You have a blessed day. Get your reset. John, let's see. Hold on though. This gentleman was next. What's his name?
One 28 district.
That's in Orange County. Yeah, he's in trial. Okay. Who's the lawyer right here? Sir, what's your name?
Judge, I'm Bill Morian. I'm here with Mr. Brett Burmeister. That's gonna be.
Oh, that's the dismissal. Okay. Burmeister? What docket was that on? The trial? I think it's on an announcement. Okay. Okay, court is in session and calls number M328460. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Britt Wayne Burmeister. Mr. Burmeister, is that your full name?
Yeah.
How are you doing, Mr. Burmeister?
You.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Mr. Burmeister, you're representing your case by your attorney, William Morian. And how are you doing, Freddie Moore?
Great, Judge. Thank you for asking.
That's good. I think I met you. You have a son that's a lawyer?
I do, Matt.
Yeah, met him. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
okay.
I have 2, actually. I've got one that's in Houston, is an attorney in Houston named Billy. Matt's my younger son who works up there in Jasper with me.
Right, I met
Yes,
him. Okay. Now, how are you doing?
Doing great.
That's good,
Yeah,
that's
thank you.
good. You're welcome. Now, Mr. Burmeister, I have before me a motion to dismiss your case.
Yes, sir.
And so I'm signing this dismissal. Once I sign this dismissal, you'll be able to get a copy from our court coordinator. You'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And you'll be free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
Judge, I have one other matter to present to the court. This is a motion to release the funds deposited for cash bond. And may I present that to the court?
I think that goes down, he'll automatically get his cash bond with the,
Okay, I didn't.
with the dismissal.
Okay, that's great. That's perfect. Thank you, Judge.
This is just a bond.
Mhm.
Hold on.
Yeah, only thing they need in the clerk's office is a court.
Judge, may we be excused?
Yes, you're gonna get
Right.
your dismissal. You'll be excused.
Thank you very
You
much.
have a blessed day.
Good to see you.
All right, nice seeing you as well. Tell your son I said
It's
Huh?
not
hold on a minute. To be dismissed. That's William Wilkinson. Caleb Franklin.
He's a no-show judge.
Oh, that's the one you. Caleb Franklin? Okay. Caleb Franklin was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m., the court's merely called the name of Caleb Franklin at the courthouse door. Caleb Franklin did not appear, or did not answer. He has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 9:38 a.m. on today's date. Ms. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Caleb Franklin at the courthouse door? Okay, Caleb Franklin's name was just called again at the courthouse door. Caleb Franklin did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Franklin an opportunity to appear in court. State, do you have a motion?
States move for a, forfeiture and warrant issues on.
Okay, that motion will be granted. Caleb Franklin's bond will be forfeited and warrant shall be issued for his arrest. And cause number 25 CCCR 2938.
And Your Honor, it's my understanding that there's now an additional case, a DWI that just came down, and so I don't know if the court wants to go ahead and appoint on that one as well.
Well, you automatically get appointed on that,
Uh,
if you have his previous, if you have the original case.
Yeah, I just wondered about it at the end of last
Yeah,
week.
they can, you can tell the court coordinator, they'll put you on there. Do you have any other cases?
Not here, Judge. Got to go get ready for trial this afternoon.
Okay,
Big excuse.
yes, you free to go. You have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, we have some other laws. Let's see. Don't say Burbank is in trial. Grove, Guilthorpe.
Alex Hummelford says,
What page? On what document?
pretrial. Second name, Jennifer, Marino,
You said pre-trial. Okay.
this, page 1.
Okay, Jennifer Lynn Marino. And this case here is, and it had 2 minutes. Okay. Let me see.
They just need a little time, Judge, to respond to the, motion to suppress and supply, the breath test.
Okay, hold on a minute. Let me see. This is on pre-trial. He's not finished. You know. This page transfer? Okay, yeah, I was just looking to see if, they just filed a motion to suppress and a motion for discovery and inspection. I mean, that's. Yeah, let's see them. I mean, on motion suppressed, we could, let me see. Motion discovering expecting toxilizer records, okay. I mean, we could set it for hearing, and then from there, we set it for trial based on, depending on what the hearing, the outcome of the hearing.
Yes, sir.
And this is, this case is notice of appearance, yeah, this case is, remember that. Give us a, we'll set it for a pretrial, hearing in 30 days. You could do it on Thursday or Friday.
June 4th. It'll be a Thursday on June 5th.
Which one is best for y'all?
The Thursday one.
Thursday afternoon?
It'll be
Yes. And that's June what?
4th. What kind of hearing?
It's a, we have a motion to suppress and we have another pretrial motion for discovery.
I did one. I did, the jail.
Okay. You can get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. Okay, y'all have a blessed day. You're welcome.
Safe travels.
Okay, who's the gentleman right there?
I have, Mr. Maitland Maxwell around.
Maxwell?
That's the last name Maxwell.
What did I see? Maxwell. It's the last one. That's what he said, Maxwell.
Todd Takash.
Oh, that's Todd Takashi. I saw that.
Oh,
Man.
yeah, Mr. Takashi.
Yeah, he's on page 11 of the announcement. Okay, is that Maitland?
Maitland, yes.
Okay, it's Maitland, Maurice Maxwell.
Yes,
How are you doing, Mr. Maxwell?
wonderful, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And let's see, and what's your name?
Sean Head.
Sean Head.
Yes, sir.
And how are you doing, Mr. Head?
Good, thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna find out, Mr. Maxwell. Now, Attorney Sean Head is standing in for Attorney Todd Takash, who is your attorney. Does he have your permission to stand in for Attorney Takash?
Yes, he does.
Okay, and Mr. Head, what is your announcement in Mr. Maxwell's case?
I'd like to hold and see if we can get it worked out today.
Okay, that's fine, we'll hold. Okay, y'all can have a seat, and we'll call you back up.
Can we go outside and talk?
That's fine.
We can get it.
Let's see. Elvin Bryant. Let's see, this is announcement. Okay. This is cause number 25 CCCR 2538, case of South the State of Texas versus, well, you have two cases, Elvin Bryant. Second case is cause number 25 CCCR 2539, case of South the State of Texas versus Elvin Bryant. And Mr. Bryant, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how are you doing, Mr. Bryant?
I'm doing pretty good today, Judge. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Bryant, like the last time you were here, your case was reset to give you time to hire your own attorney, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you hired your attorney?
No, I haven't, Your Honor.
Why haven't you hired your attorney?
I really don't have the funds to hire one, to be honest with you.
Okay, well, if you, you can have a seat and we can give you, affidavit of indigence, where you can see whether or not you qualify for a court-appointed attorney.
That'd be nice. Thanks.
Okay, just have a seat.
Yeah.
Who is this? Arlington Wood. That's a new case. Elvin, huh?
It's gonna be the.
Elvin Bryant? Huh? He's, yes. Trevani Slaughter. Oh, this, no, hold on, we got, no. You could have a seat. His case is, he just have his cases on the trial docket. Yeah, Mr. Well, next week.
Next week.
Yeah, I mean, Mr. Slaughter, would you come forward? How many cases do we have on the docket for next week?
Next week.
This case is,
Got 13.
no, we just he's actually in trial. Let me read that. Is this on, what docket is this? Oh, this is the one that had to be reset. Oh, where's the prosecutor? Okay. This is Manuel Sanchez Oliva, cause number M331985.
Yes,
Mr. Oliva, you're represented by Attorney Jared Gilthorpe.
Morning, Judge.
Hold on, what's that? Hold on a minute.
Hold on.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Oliva, this is cause number M331984. Case is still the state of Texas versus Manuel Sanchez Oliva. And Mr. Oliva, how are you doing?
you,
Doing good, all right. And Mr. Oliva is represented by Attorney Jared Gilthorpe. Mr. Gilthorpe, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. State is represented in this case by Attorney Cornelius Williams, Mr. Williams and Mr. Gilthorpe. I think this case had a #1 setting, and on last week, we were informed by Attorney Andrew Hubel that Mr. Williams was not going to be here. We had some interpreters scheduled to appear, and they were canceled. Is that correct, Mr. Gilthorpe?
That is my understanding, Judge.
Okay, so we need to this case is all, we need to reschedule this case as soon as possible. What's the soonest we can try the case?
Judge, I have, I could do next Monday the 4th. In 1 week from today, I would be available. I could also do, you start trial on Tuesday or on Monday?
It all depends on when the state wants to start their testimony. We
Okay.
start the trial, we pick the jury on Monday,
Okay.
1:30.
The Monday following that, the 11th, I'm available, but the Tuesday after, so the 12th, I would not be, so I could do Monday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, and then let's see.
What's the week after that? Oh, that's right, I know that. Yeah, that's not a good week for you.
Okay, well, the week after.
The 25th,
So
I could
you're
do
saying
May
you could do it,
25th.
you could do it in 1 week, or you could do it on the 25th?
Basically, yes, yes.
Oh, the 25th is a holiday.
Oh.
Okay,
The 26th, then I could do it Tuesday.
We're gonna start on the 26th, or we're gonna go June 1st?
we could start on the 26th.
That's
Is that
a
fine with you,
Tuesday.
Mr. Williams?
It'll be fine with all, Judge. Yes, someone, if I can't do it, someone will.
Okay, so that'll be June 20. You're right, I understand. So it's gonna be May 26th.
Will the court order the interpreting judge?
We have what we ordered in ours. I think y'all have to order yours. Right,
So it's gonna be, May 26th?
yes. And that's on a Tuesday.
Yes.
Okay, so as we talking, actually, that's the only trial we got on that, right? So, yeah,
That's #1 setting.
yeah, it's the #1 setting on the 26th of May. Make sure that we have a jury that week.
Yes, ma'am.
Y'all heard me? Make sure we have a jury that week, May 26th. Yes. Okay,
Thank you.
okay, you're welcome. Now, Mr. Gilthorpe, that case will be
We'll be the
reset.
only one, right?
#1, yeah. May
We'll be the
26th,
only one.
2026. Yes. Now, next, Mr. Oliva, stay in contact with your attorney. You're free to go, and you need to be in court in person on that day.
okay.
All right, you have a blessed day. Next case is Guillermo Castillo. He's not in court. Mr. Gilthorpe?
I'm I'm not sure where he is. He was supposed to be on Zoom. We've been in communication with him. He was prepared for trial as well. And when Mr. Hubel notified us about Mr. Cornelius, we called our expert because that one had an expert on it. Mr. Guillermo should be on Zoom. If he's not, let me reach out to him and see where he's at.
Okay, we'll give you an opportunity to do that. Let's
Thank
see.
you.
Hold on a minute. Okay, Mr. Gilthorpe, I think that was your last one. Just we'll hold on that client, okay?
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
And then okay, you can zoom back in. Okay. We got Mr. Kimler. Mr. Kimler. Logan Oderbert. It's on trial docket. Kimler's case is on trial.
Odeberg?
Okay, this is cause number, where's Miss Nixon?
She's upstairs. She announced and ready, Judge.
Okay, she's announcing ready?
Ready.
Okay, all right. Now, Mr. Oderbert, you'll be back at 1:30. For us to pick the jury.
That's the number one case.
It's the only case that announced ready so far is number one.
I've got other ones I'm gonna announce ready on.
I know, but I mean, he needs to be back.
Figure out which one's gonna actually.
I don't, yeah, I don't know which one. I'm just looking at your
I'll
cases.
be back at 1:30.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
L'Oreal Damon Rougeau? Rougeau? Mr. Is it, how you pronounce your last? Rougeau? L'Oreal Rougeau?
Yes,
How you doing, Mr. Rougeau?
pretty good.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And Mr. Kimberly, what's your announcement?
I was waiting on the state, Your Honor.
State?
I'll check the notes, Judge. I don't.
Castillo, isn't it somebody? I called his name earlier.
Terrence.
Let me see that expert on. Right. Hold on a minute. Yeah. Jared Jamal Williams.
You don't want to do?
No, I hadn't even looked at, any so, but I'm seeing possession of controlled substance. Oh, yeah, that's what it sounds like. Oh, where's that?
Jared Jamal Williams. I hadn't been here. Oh, you went to the restaurant? Okay. Edward Woods.
Woods.
Right there on the table for me, please. Thank you.
Okay.
Uh,
I need to check with her, Judge. You know what,
What did you say?
wanted to check with someone.
Okay.
One of these two. Let's see. Edward Woods. Of the shoe. Ask her what's that also.
We're gonna hold this one too?
Yes, please. I just tried to see them.
Okay. Let's see.
The way you use the card, that.
Want to recall. Who?
Jared Williams.
Williams. Yes, sir. The transfer, please.
Mr. Williams, your full name is Jared Jamal Williams?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Williams? That's good, Mr. Williams. You're represented by your attorney, Ralph Kimler. Mr. Kimler, what's your announcement, Mr. Williams?
First statement.
Okay.
Respectfully, Judge, I'm gonna have to.
You want me to hold on this one?
Yeah, have a seat.
Okay, just have a seat. Next case is Alexandra Denise Weibel. That's the mail.
This year. This one is mine. Let me just check. Put your hands up here. Judge, again, Your Honor, defer to the state, told me the readings, I would defer to the state.
Okay.
I can let you know on this one.
One of the films.
We're ready. I guess the state's announcement ready. State's announcement ready. then I'll be candid with the court. We don't want to do anything.
What is it? Is the state announcement ready, Your Honor?
The state's not ready, Judge.
We're ready.
Oh, let me take a look at this here.
Okay.
Bible. Oh. Case went up. Yeah. We had this case since September 2025.
We're ready.
Yeah. So I tell you what, we'll see y'all at 1:30.
Be back at 1:30.
Yeah.
You can go.
Okay, let's see, Russo, okay. Kemmler. Check.
We can say,
H.I. Okay, we got some on, we have some cases on the announcement docket. We have a, Julissa Cortez Estrada.
I was gonna announce on felony first, Your Honor.
Have you announced on the felony?
No, you're supposed to be felony.
They set it for 6 months.
They already said,
My husband told me this morning.
you're on the.
We could check to see if that's,
See if she's set this morning.
could you see if she's reset,
Figure something out.
Cortez Estrada?
I talked to professional this morning, he said it was the June 1st. But it's the continuous.
Well, you're on my tablet down there, so they say.
Yeah.
This ain't gonna find us.
Yes.
Your phone's the one that tells you.
Yeah,
So,
Friday,
let me make sure.
Friday too.
That's on the announcement docket.
If she's been reset on the felony, Your Honor, we reset, we request.
Hold on a
reset
minute.
this.
Hold on a minute. Announcement. Kimbler.
We did really set down.
Let me see, Kimbler. Strata.
June 1st.
Okay, we have it reset to June 1st, then, Your Honor, concurrently with the felony.
Okay. Have you received your discovery in this case?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm fine.
And you received an offer?
Not yet. I would anticipate it would be contingent on what happens with the felony.
Well, we're not gonna be waiting around for felony.
Well, the felony probably is gonna be worked out.
Well, we're not gonna, the felony is gonna be bargained that, I'll knock it down over here.
We'll see.
So the state,
We'll see.
well, what we do is, we'll just have it.
Judge, it rolls on the same set of facts.
Okay, but I mean, you need to get at least get an offer. You got discovery, and when you come back, we're gonna make sure that you have an
What I
offer.
would anticipate is felony.
We'll resolve the misdemeanor.
Will be
They normally
dispositive.
do.
Okay, but you should have an offer from the
Not
felony
gonna-
and you don't, I mean, the felony can make an offer that encompasses the misdemeanor. I mean, if that's how it's gonna happen, that's what you just said.
That's what I anticipate.
I agree.
Right.
That the felony will be dispositive.
But, okay, on June, we're gonna reset it June 1st. 2026.
Be back here June 1st, but be in felony court.
Yes, I was that.
Okay.
All right, we can go.
Arlington, Austin Wood. Arlington, Austin Wood. Okay, how you doing, Mr. Wood? Let me see, this case here,
We're just gonna sit him on trial docket.
be on new case. Does he have a new case?
No.
There's a question on the docket said, will Kimmler be on new case? Yeah, he has a theft case. Yeah, 7 days old.
if he could we could just reset it. I'll put this one on the trial docket. You can come see me Friday.
Okay, we're gonna reset Arlington, Austin Wood for trial. On the 2008, on the 2008 case, 2025 CCR 2008. And
You just keep the new case with that case you're on.
we'll keep it, yeah, both, yep.
And I'll let you know if I'm gonna represent him on any case. But
Okay, give us a trial date. Yeah, give us a trial date.
Maybe June first.
Okay, this case reset June 1st trial.
be back to you first. And see.
And you're gonna get both your cases reset to June 1st. Okay. Be hired. Okay, yes, oh, yes, he has 3 cases. Yeah, he has 3 cases. Yes, you hired on 2 of them.
Well, let me see if I can firm up representation on where you're on. Sure, we'll accommodation.
Okay, and it'd be trial on the 2-0 on the
Yes,
2.
Your Honor, we'll have trial.
Okay. It'd be trial on cause number 26 CCCR 0301 and cause number 25 CCCR 02008. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and we still holding on a couple of the other cases.
I was with the state to make the announcement. No.
You have
We're not,
Rougeau.
Rougeau,
I can tell, not ready, not ready. The only one that's, the state prepared on, Judge, is, Oldenburg. The other one's the state's not ready.
we're ready.
Okay.
on Rougeau.
Now, what we're gonna, okay, Rougeau, you'll be back at 1:30. And Williams, what was your announcement, Mr. Kimler?
Ready. I'm assuming that they're ready, Your Honor.
Not ready.
Ready.
Okay, Mr. Williams will be back at 1:30 too.
Wait. You back at 1:30.
Okay, and Woods holding on that one too.
Wait,
Not ready, Judge.
we're ready, Your Honor. You want him
Okay.
back at 1:30?
Woods was that him?
That was Williams.
That was the other guy. Okay, yeah, Woods will be back at 1:30 too.
Wood. You back?
All his cases gonna be back at 1:30.
I'll just do your 1:30.
She said to do with closings of,
Okay,
That's right.
okay. Birch. Utah, Crenshaw.
Yes, Judge, Mr. Castillo is back on. He's
Good.
online now.
Oh. Yep, Mr. Crenshaw, you ready on yours?
Your Honor, may I approach the line with?
Mr. Martinez, I'm hungry.
Hold on. What,
I've just been here since 9, make sure.
you wasn't here, so you got here at 9 and then you.
Yeah, I know, I was waiting for you so I could go talk over there with road board.
Okay,
He's present.
what docket is he on?
He's on the announcement down at page 8.
Hey,
Your Honor, in this one, I have an offer, I have the video, I have all the police reports, and we've gone over it.
that's
It
on,
does have related.
that's on Mr. Martinez.
Felony's been reset to June 1st, and we need another.
What's the status on the felony?
It's going to an announcement. Announcement docket, or you can put this on the trial docket, however you want to do that one.
Yeah, because I'm looking at it. Hold on, let me look at this.
I thought the same, sir.
Yes, same
Okay.
thing.
This is what's his, this is it's a case on the 76 days old.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, we'll set it on June 1st.
Thank you. And just for future reference, do we go to the felony court first and then come
Here first, check in and then go there and then come
and
back.
check in with the bailiff or with the court?
Billy.
Thank you.
Okay, reset this June 1st, 26 felony.
Sorry.
That's it? That's the only case you have?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
Okay. I think I had Mr. Clinch. Okay. Yes. Okay. Saul Enrique Mondragon. Had it right. Oh, this is on the announcement document. Mr. Mondragon. Saul Enrique Mondragon. Okay, Mr. Mondragon.
Judge, I'm gonna, look into one more avenue on a, pretrial diversion for Saul. If we can come back, if I'm able to get that approved, the next signing is the first week of June. We could
What?
reset this for the second week of June.
No, I'm gonna have to reset it 2 weeks. I talked to, what's his name? What's this? Pat Canal, yeah. He's saying that, normally when they get get the letters, they immediately give y'all a response.
I
And
know.
so what I'm gonna do is get
Well, Judge, this one's unique because it may involve me having to expunge something. And even if Pat was to approve it, the pretrial diversion signing isn't until the first Thursday in June.
I know,
So
but
what would 2 weeks do?
it's just like a status to make sure that's done, because what we've been doing, there's a lot of times we've been putting them there, and it's kind of like it kind of stay in park, and we keep coming back, and so it's just more or less a status to see whether or not, the letters were submitted and whether or not he got accepted or rejected, and then from there, then we'll move it to
Well, I don't know. We would have an answer in 2 weeks.
Well-
But do you want to come back in 2 weeks? I guess he'll take off another day of work and come back.
Well,
in
he
2
could,
weeks.
he could do it by Zoom in 2 weeks. Yeah, so we just wanna, it's just a status for us to keep track of these cases that pretrial diversion. Yeah, leave it on the announcement docket, and then, we'll have a status on it in 2 weeks, and make a note that he can appear via Zoom. Okay? And he can get the Zoom number.
Judge, I'm completely capable of giving him all those details.
Okay. Okay, what's that date? In this case, it's reset to May 11th, 2026. Okay, Mr. Mondragon, you gonna get your reset? Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. Next case is Juan Francisco Rodriguez. He has 3 cases. Let's say he has another one, pro se.
So he has another process.
That's what this note says. Defendant has another case as pro se. Oh, maybe. I wonder if this first case was filed later. It might be an old note.
It's just a DWI. Yes.
Yeah, it is 2 DWIs.
You have 2 pending DWIs right now? Okay. Judge, so you show that you haven't gotten a letter of rep on one?
No, I got a letter rep on
Oh.
both. No, I was saying there's a note, a memo saying defendant has another case.
That's it. I guess.
They didn't take the note out.
So I'll take it out.
Okay, so hold on a minute. Let me see. Now, hold on a minute. Let me that's Rodriguez. Rodriguez. Yeah, it has, they're in different locations. 40 is the old case, it's a new case. Court date letter. Oh, yeah, that's the newer case. Apparently he didn't, there was a case he was pro se on, but you filed a letter of representation
That's okay.
on March 20 to 2026 on that one. So that's so it's March 20, 2026. So we could give him a standard. What's your announcement?
If we could come back on the pretrial conference docket and, I'll try to get this resolved. and-
Okay, give us a standard reset pretrial conference.
Open the cell
Hmm.
phone. Open the cell phone.
Okay,
We could do that on one, and not button.
My boss have my hand.
okay,
That one's not here yet. Find anybody else.
okay. Mr. Rodriguez, your cases will be reset. What's that date?
June 3rd.
To June 1st, 2026 on the pretrial conference docket. You're gonna get your recess from our coordinator. Once you get your recess, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Okay. Let's see, this is Aaron Joseph Stanberry.
Judge, if we can recall this one, I'd like to visit with Mr. Williams.
Okay, I'll hold on it. You can have a seat, Mr. Stanberry. Okay, next case is that Michael Kareem Thomas? I wonder if I pronounced it right.
Mikhail Holmes.
Yeah, I was trying to, Mikhail. So your name is Mikhail Kareem Thomas? How are you doing, Mr. Thomas? That's good. Mr. Thomas, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Corey Crenshaw, and Mr. Crenshaw. Let me pull up his case.
Thank you.
Thomas. This is the old
What
one.
it is, we can go back. That's why it's different. It's close to the class, see it.
Wow, so,
Go to see it.
Mr. Crenshaw, what's your announcement of Mr. Thomas's?
We have a deferred offer. He has another matter that we're working on in a different county. If we could come back to the pretrial conference docket, I'll speak with his counsel in the other county and see if we can get this resolved.
Okay, because I'm looking, this is a 2024.
Yeah, this was a situation where we had him approved for diversion and
Okay.
something happened. And so we've been trying to resolve it since.
Okay.
But, we have a deferred offer. I'll see if I can get this done.
Okay.
At the next setting. If not, put it on the trial docket.
Give us a standard reset.
June 1st. And it's on,
Mikhail,
keep it on.
Yes, sir.
Mikhail Thomas.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Announcement. We keep it as an announcement.
This, you want it on pretrial? Okay. And I think they said he has an out of county case. Okay, once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
There we go.
And Mr. Crenshaw, I think this is your last one? Oh, that's right, you were holding on one.
Work on standard.
Okay, okay.
Judge, Mr. Castillo, he is online now.
This is cause number 23 CCCR 1763. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Guillermo Castillo the third. Mr. Castillo is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Castillo, how are you doing? Okay, your mic is on mute.
Good, Your Honor. Thank you for
Okay,
asking.
all right. You're welcome. Now, Mr. Gilthorpe. You take your mic off of mute?
Yes, Judge.
Now, Mr. Gilthorpe, this was a case that was also set for trial today. Is that correct?
Yes, Judge.
And we had the same announcement regarding this case is that Mr. Williams was not going to be here today. Is that correct?
That's correct, Judge. I was contacted last week and we canceled our expert based on that phone call.
Okay, so you had an expert come in and you had to call him off. Okay.
Yes, Judge.
Oh, that case that we had,
We got to reset it to June. First.
that case, that previous case that you had
Yes, Judge.
on Mr. Manuel Oliva, that's gonna have to be reset to when?
I got the same thing then. Make sure we don't have another 1 second on June 1st.
Okay, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute, she's checking the calendar. It's
Understood,
gonna have
Judge.
to be reset because the county won't have a jury that week, is that correct? Yeah, the county will not have juries that week.
That's not June.
Who is that?
Wife camera.
What's the?
June 8th, we done.
Okay, we're gonna have to put both of these cases on June 8th.
June 8th. That works for me, Judge. I'll be available that date.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Castillo, you're gonna get your reset. Well, you will not be given a reset physically, but I mean, I'm gonna orally give you a reset for June 8th, 2026 at 9 a.m. You need to be in court in person on that day. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. They will be giving notice of your recess. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
All right, same to you, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
And you may be excused, Mr. Gilthorpe.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. This is cause number 25 CCCR 2524. Case of style of state of Texas versus Felipe Gonzalez Fabre. How you doing, Mr. Gonzalez Fabre?
He speaks very little English.
Oh, he does. Oh, I didn't know. Okay. Let's see. Gonzalez, let's see. That's on the announcement docket. Okay, now Mr. Fabre is represented in this case by Mr. Rojas. Mr. Rojas, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge.
And Mr. Fabre, come stop. Good?
Yeah.
Bien? Okay. Now, Mr. Rojas, I see here that you were hired and you sent a court of letter of rep in December of 25,
That sounds about right, Judge.
about 4 months ago. So what's your announcement?
I'm asking for one more announcement. Mr. Gonzalez Fabre was just served with a civil lawsuit. I believe it's they're looking for him to be served. I think it may be in connection with this case. But also I'm trying to get one of his witnesses into the office to sign a statement so that I can get it for the DA's office, see if that helps us out in the negotiations any.
Okay, now, let's see. Now, have you received discovery in this case?
I do have discovery. We looked at
You
everything.
have you received an offer?
I don't know that we've got an offer again, Judge, because I'm waiting for the statement from a witness to see if that helps us out any. I have a witness that was in his car that
Yeah, I know, but I mean,
Say
that
something.
doesn't prevent you from getting an offer from, I mean, you can do a count on it,
prevents me from getting the offer I want.
huh?
It could help, prevent me from getting an
Well,
offer.
we're not gonna be holding up, what I'm gonna do is this case, I'm gonna reset it 2 weeks. Okay? And, you should be able to get everything, yeah, we're gonna keep it on the announcement docket. We'll reset in 2 weeks. This is Gonzalez Fabre. Give us a date.
May 11th.
This case is reset to May 11th, 2026. And Mr. Fabre can get his reset from our coordinator. Once he gets his reset, he's free to go. And Mr. Rojas?
I have one more, Judge.
you-
Unless it was reset, Judge, I thought it had.
No, here it is, yeah. Yamil Cruz Castano Omar. And Mr. Omar, your full name is Yamil Cruz Castano.
Omar Jamil Cruz Castan.
Okay, Omar goes first.
Yes, sir.
So it's Omar Yamil Cruz Castano. Okay, how are you doing?
Yes, sir.
I'm blessed as well. Thanks. And you represented in your case by your attorney Charles Rojas. Mr. Rojas, what's your announcement?
Judge, we requested pretrial diversion. Mr. Yamil was denied
Okay,
due to some previous arrests. He says those arrests are only for tickets. So I'm asking for another announcement so I can try to clarify that, whether that's true or not.
wow. Okay,
Tickets should not keep him out of pretrial diversion.
okay, well,
For the students, and students, and the main, the.
I'm sure the DA, if he has some arrests, they probably printed off a copy of his,
Well, they just sent us a letter saying it was denied.
I know, but I'm saying they probably looked at his criminal history
Right.
for them to know that he had some arrests. And so the criminal history, they saw the offenses on there.
That's usually the way it's done, Judge, but I gotta go with what my client tells me, because they were just for tickets.
Well, we're gonna reset in 2 weeks. Okay, give us a reset date. What is it? May 11th. Okay. I'm gonna retry the version. Okay, reset 2 weeks. And on that day, both you and your client need to be here in person. Now you can get your recess. Once you get your recess, you're free to go.
Yes.
And you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
You do as well.
Thank you. You did? Who's the plea on?
6.
Who's Haley staying in and doing it? Cacao? Yeah, what docket is it on? Yes, Eric Lee Cacao. She sound like Jennifer DeLage. is in session in cause number 25 CCCR 2128. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Eric Lee Cacao. Mr. Cacao, is that your full name? Mr. Cacao, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Mr. Cacao, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Cacao? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Cacao, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Dustin Galmore. However, Dustin Galmore is not here. Standing in for Dustin Galmore is Attorney Haley Simmons. Does Ms. Simmons have your permission to stand in for Attorney Galmore? And Ms. Simmons, again, how are you doing?
I'm great, Judge. How are you?
And I'm doing fine. Now, Ms. Simmons, do you waive a record in Mr. Cacao's case?
We do, Your Honor.
Mr. Cacao, I have before me in cause number 25 CCCR 2128, a document that is titled information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Eric Lee Cacao, on or about February 4th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of collision involving damage to a vehicle that had a value greater than or equal to $200. Mr. Cacao, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, Your Honor.
And to this charge, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, and no contest? Now, you're pleading guilty freely and voluntarily,
Yes, Your Honor.
and are you pleading guilty because you are guilty? Okay, now, Mr. Cacao, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked guilty. The initials are ELK. Did you place your initials on this document? On page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, Your Honor.
And on the next document that's titled trial court certification, defendant's right to appeal, do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. You understand that statement? The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yeah, Your Honor.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? At the top of this document, there's 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
I do.
Second box that's checked. Let's see. Now, Mr. Cacao, before you signed and initialed all of these documents that I showed you, did you read the documents? And did your attorney go over these documents with you? And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, I did.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes,
Mr. Cacao, are you a citizen of the United States?
yes.
State, you like to offer states 1?
So tended, Your Honor.
Any objections? No objections. States exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Ms. Simmons, you've advised in counsel, Mr. Cacao. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
None at all, Your Honor.
And Mr. Cacao, your attorney, Ms. Simmons, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Absolutely.
Has she provided full, effective, and competent legal representation? Mr. Cacao, Mr. Galmore has advised and counseled you as well. Are you satisfied with his representation?
I am, Your Honor.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Cacao, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement in this case? do a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, sir.
And what is the agreement?
It would be a $500 fine plus court costs, and he should receive credit for the 2 days in which he said it's been jailed to reduce the fine and court costs.
Okay,
Is that correct? Ms. Simmons?
That's correct. Thank you, Brian.
okay, what's the court cost? 330?
Yes.
Now, is that in the judgment? Sometimes it comes back a little high. Want to make sure. What's the fine?
It's 8:30.
It's 830? Okay, yeah. Now, Mr. Cacao, the state is offering that you pay a fine of $500 plus court costs of $330, which comes to a total of $830. You'll be given credit toward the fine and court costs. Be given credit of 2 days, which will, that's 2 days credit, which is $200, which will be subtracted from the $830, which leaves a balance of $630. Now, Mr. Cacao, are you able to pay the $630? Okay,
Yes,
okay, now, Mr. Cacao, do you understand the state's offer?
I do.
And do you accept the state's offer? Mr. Cacao, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Cacao, you're gonna stand at the end of the table, follow the direction of the bailiff. Once you're finished following her directions, you'll go downstairs, make your payment, and you'll bring the receipt back up to this court.
I'll walk it down, Judge.
Okay. He has a cash bond, so you'll get that cash bond.
Correct, Judge.
All right, stand there.
Thank you, Mr. Lewis. You come up here. You ready?
Oh, who we have next? Was it Mr.? Was it Adams? Okay, Mr. Linden, Reginald Linden. They still, okay, would you please come forward? They still got Haley Simmons as the prosecutor.
That judge? Well, it's not me, I'm sorry. I don't know why.
That you as the prosecutor.
Williams with Mr. Linden. Back up to Williams with Mr.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Don't know who prosecuted, they have Miss Simmons. They have Miss Simmons as the prosecutor.
I have Mr. Williams with me.
Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 2274. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Reginald Linden. And Mr. Linden, is that your full name?
Yes,
How are you doing, Mr. Linden?
I've had better days.
Okay, I'm sure you had some worse days too.
Oh, yes.
So, Mr. Linden, you're represented in your case by, that's on the pretrial, by your attorney, Attorney Langston Adams. And Mr. Adams, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge.
And let's see, Mr. Adams. And Mr. Adams, what's your announcement in Mr. Linden's case?
Judge, prior to me being appointed to this case, he had another lawyer.
Right,
And I understand that the offer Mr. Cornelius gave him was deferred adjudication
okay,
and no contact with the victim.
okay,
I believe Mr. Linden, with the first lawyer, did not want that particular offer.
okay,
I have met with Mr. Linden in my office, and I think we've reached a point where it's probably better for him to either represent himself or ask for another lawyer, because I don't think that we're gonna be able to work on this case. I just see it would be an impasse, and he'd probably be better off either representing himself or hiring his own lawyer or whatever he wants to do. But I know in terms of, and I don't want to jeopardize or prejudice his case in any way, form, or fashion. I know it involves the hospital staff, if I'm not correct, Mr. Williams, and an alleged assault there. And I do believe Mr. Linden is maintaining his innocence on that.
okay,
But where we are right now is that I don't believe that we're gonna be able to work together. So I was gonna ask if he can hire his own lawyer, that's great. Or if
he can have, and like I said, and he's been in my office.
Yeah.
I've never been in my office. I just don't know. And I think you had a lawyer prior to me. I don't know who the lawyer was prior.
I think it was LeBlanc, Todd LeBlanc, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, I believe it was Todd. Yeah, Todd LeBlanc was the lawyer prior.
Hold on a minute, let me take a look.
But like I said, he maintains his.
Yeah, it was Todd LeBlanc. He was appointed back in December 2nd of 2025.
And I do believe, like I said, Mr. Williams extended him a deferred adjudication.
I mean, yeah,
That has been given to him, so he know, unless the office changed, so that's still.
Well-
right? It's deferred. It's deferred with no contact.
I understand.
And he knows that with a deferred, that would not be a conviction.
I understand. So,
May I speak, John?
well, first of all, Mr. Adams is, brought this to the court's attention. I mean, there is no written motion
No,
that has been filed for the court to even entertain this matter. But if there's anything about your relationship with your attorney, the court is not in a position to entertain that at this, because we don't have a motion to withdraw. But I could say that well, the offer that the state gives to the attorneys, and they relay it to you, the defense attorney has no control of that. Okay. So if you're trying to say, I need something better. I mean, only thing your attorney can do is relay what has been offered by the state. The state cannot talk to you directly. They have to talk to your attorney, and then your attorney relay that information to you. Okay?
That I understand, Judge, what I asked to be heard about is something that has happened. I don't want you to get misinformation or partial information, Your Honor. And that's what you're being given.
Okay. Now you're talking about let's do this here. Mr. Adams needs to file his motion. And then once that's done, we can hear whatever
I'll be happy.
whatever the issues are.
That's exactly what he just told me outside that he was gonna do. When I was willing to work with him and to give him a reprieve from what he has not done for me,
Okay.
he suggested this, so.
No, that's not, hold on a second. It's not accurate. I have met with this man in my office, because his initial complaint was he didn't get to visit Mr. LeBlanc. When I got appointed to this case, I got him to my office, looked at him out, we discussed his case. Then what his complaint was outside was that he's trying to reach me and I did not get it.
Okay, hold on.
Let him file for the motion.
Okay,
And I'm
let's,
gonna speak the truth. He is speaking lies.
Okay, let's we'll entertain that motion. Well, let's file your motion first. And we're gonna give it a short recess. This is Mr. Linden, first case on the pretrial conference docket.
Can we just put an
Anybody?
announcement then? They won't be on pretrial.
Yeah, we can put it on an announcement.
An announcement. And that way.
But this case, hold on, let me see. This case was filed in October of 2025. Talking about 6 months, and now we're on the second lawyer. Okay. Yeah. So let's do that, and then we'll see. We'll give you a chance to
I'll jump on.
file your motion, and you can respond. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Hold on. We're putting it on.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah, an announcement.
Okay,
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
that's May 11th.
And I'll get that.
Is that the only case you have? Is this the only case you have today?
But that's the only one I got.
Okay. So once you get your reset, Mr. Leonard, you'll be free to go. It's gonna be an announcement. He's supposed to file a motion to withdraw, I guess.
Question,
And-
Your Honor.
Yes.
when this comes up,
Mr. Adams.
then will I be able to speak?
Yeah, that's what I just said.
Because I want to deliver the facts.
Okay, I understand. That's why we want to give you an opportunity to respond.
I appreciate it.
All right, get your reset and you're free to go. Okay, yeah, you got to get your hat.
What were we doing with Mr. Burbank's file? I just.
No, we call in the court in,
I guess they're in court because nobody.
okay, Mr. Murchison, hold on a minute.
I'm not going anywhere.
Let me pull your case.
Not ready.
Okay, let me pull your case. Jury trial. Murchison. Propos. Got a pro se class. Yes, we do. I guess we do. Explanation. What was you? Is that right? Man, this case is 639 days old. Yeah. 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 So what's your announcement?
At this time, we gonna announce that you're ready for the file.
And state?
I'm not ready.
Okay, well, we'll see y'all at 1:30 on that. I mean, this thing is, yeah, we'll see you at 1:30. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, you have,
Brian Williams.
that's the guy that was, yeah, but we'll have to clear out the court that had that trial. We're gonna have to save him for at the end. Yeah. That's everybody else had it, assessor. Miss Mosby.
Oh.
Bruce Smith.
Yeah, well, I had Bruce Smith, for the previous case, I had Judge Stevenson.
Okay.
Hired him for like 5,000 and it was for trial. We never went to trial.
Okay, so you just hired him for a different case.
Yes. I thought I'd be able to use him for this one, but he needed more money, so.
Yeah, okay, well, that's a different case, so. Possession of marijuana. Oh, 26. Okay. John Macy. Okay. Okay, Mr. Brown, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Brown, do you swear firm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Mr. Bryant, you may put your hand down. And Mr. Bryant, again, how are you doing?
Pretty good.
That's good. Now, Mr. Bryant, I have before me two documents. The first document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. You recognize this document? Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, it is.
And are these your initials on the line that state you'd like to apply for full appointed attorney? I also have another document that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Injuries. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
On page 2 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant Signature. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Bryant, before you signed and initialed these documents, did you read the documents?
Yes, I
Did
did.
you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Mr. Bryant, I read your answers. Based on your answers, you meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney, and the attorney that will be appointed to represent you in this case is Attorney John Macy. Attorney Macy will be given information to contact you, and you will be given information to contact him. Our court coordinator will give you that information. Once you get that information, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day. Please stand and have a seat in that first chair on the wall.
Thank you.
Okay. Yes, okay. You see how Mr. Takash's case. Okay, that's Maitland Maurice Maxwell.
I'm gonna ask for a reset to look at the discovery in this case.
Okay,
Also,
well, yeah, they're gonna have to give Mr. What's this? Mr. Takash probably have since he's the attorney of record, Mr. Takash would have access to the portal where the discovery is.
yeah, they told me how to get on that. I work for Mr. Scotch.
Yes, okay.
Also, I wanted to ask, Mr. Maxwell lives in Florida. Would he be able to appear via Zoom at the next docket?
Okay.
I'm a independent truck driver and owner operator.
Okay.
So for each time I have to come here, because I don't work for somebody else, I pick my own loads and do my own thing.
Understand.
And for each time I come here, I have to sit for like 2 weeks. So don't take any loads, so I can come here, book a motel, rent a car. It's very expensive.
How long you have been here? How many times you been here?
This is my first time.
Oh, this is your first time?
I told him he'd have to be here if we resolve the case, but I would ask you, with a plea, but I would ask you if he could appear at docket.
Yeah, this case is just 34 days old.
Yes, sir.
So we'll give him a standard reset. He'll be able to appear by Zoom for his first. Okay, make a note on that. Give us a standard reset. June 1st. And by that time, by June 1st, you should have your discovery and an offer from the state.
Yes.
And you should be able to make an announcement.
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
June 1st?
Yes. give us a June 1st, 2026. This is Maitland Maurice Maxwell on the first case on page 11. So he lives in Florida. Okay, so you get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day and have a safe trip back home. And you have a safe trip as well. You have a blessed day. Yeah. Tristan D. Jones.
Would you hold those, please, Judge?
Okay, I'll hold. Okay. Okay. Okay, Mr. Hmm?
May I approach briefly?
Yes.
So, Your Honor, we went downstairs. He had a cash bond, which was what's going to dispose of the case, the planning court cost. They don't have it ready for another 2 days.
What?
The
Oh.
cash bond.
So you're saying that they're going to,
They told us to come back in 2 days because they did not have it.
they don't have a cash bond?
Correct.
Well, it must have been from out of county?
No, it was not.
Oh, they probably just had it.
Oh, it was from this county?
Let me see, I could just email it to them. Never mind.
So he had cash bond in this county?
I believe so, Your Honor. I'll double check to pull it up, but
Is it Linda?
they told me to notify the court.
Who is it?
Eric Lee's Eric Lee's account.
I think this is an old case too.
Yeah, what's going on?
Okay. Only thing we have to do is just kind of give him 2 days to pay it.
I was gonna ask Judge, he's actually moving out of county. Is it possible that Dustin and I come in on his behalf and take care of it without him needing to be present?
Yeah, I mean, we just need to see the receipt that it was paid.
We're not gonna be able to get that from his cash bond.
Okay, yeah. Okay, Mr. Alpo. Your full name is Paul Edward Alpo. How are you doing, Mr. Alpo? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Alpo, you're represented by your attorney, Mark Faggett. Mr. Faggett, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor. Thank you for
That's,
asking.
you're welcome. Now, Mr. Fagger, what's your announcement in Mr. Alpo's case?
Your Honor, this, I know that this case is probably about, opening file in May of last year. So I'm gonna go ahead rather than ask for another announcement. I have a little bit more discovery I need to do in this case. This was an independent lab that did the testing, so I need to go ahead and get all their backup data. So I ask you to go ahead and put it on pretrial conference doc.
I'm inclined to put it on a trial docket. I mean, you can get that, you can get the stuff from the lab, that's fine. But we need to put this in a trial mode. Matter of fact, yeah, this case is, you was,
So
you was
Mr.
appointed May of 2025.
Right.
All of that stuff should have been asked for, in the last 11 months.
Go ahead.
Actually, April, May, yeah, 11 months.
Been a while.
Yeah, but I mean, is you talking about discovery? Okay,
Well, it's amazing when you start digging into it, you dig up a little bit more every time you look at it.
oh, well, if that's, well, we gonna set it for trial.
Okay, when would that be?
As soon as we can get it on the trial docket. When that next case, give us a trial date. This is, Edward Alpo.
I have vacation letter on file for the last week of May. 2 weeks in, last week of May, first week of June.
Can you give it?
Okay, let me do this here. Hold on, let me do this here. I'm gonna reset this case 2 weeks on a pretrial conference docket. Okay? And pretrial. And at that time, we'll see where we are.
Okay, that'll be fine.
And then, yeah. You should be able to get, yeah, what is it?
May 11th.
May 11th, 2026, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, and he has to be here in person. You can have a seat, wait for your name to be called. Matthew Artis. Let me see what we got on Mr. Artis saying. Yeah. Bond conditions. Affidavit, judge explanation.
No, that's what they girl.
Yeah, I was waiting for just to sign.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay. And Mr. Artis, your full name is Matthew Artis?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Artis?
I'm doing well.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Artis, you represented by your attorney, Mr. Faggot. Mr. Faggot, what's your announcement?
Your Honor, on this one, I was gonna ask to be put on the pre-trial conference docket. I have just visited with Mr. Vernon about it, and maybe we can get something worked out between now and then.
No, let me ask you, sir, have you received an offer in this case?
I have received an offer, Your Honor.
Have you relayed that offer to your
I
client?
have.
Okay. So I'm gonna reset this, I'm just gonna reset this 2 weeks. Okay,
We'll see what if we can get something worked out. Be in touch.
It was. Yeah.
Elizabeth Billingsley,
Yes.
He's here, Your Honor. We previously had an agreement with the state. They're the co-defendant in the case that I believe is next door. We previously had an agreement with the state for dismissal of restitution. Once it was paid in that case, then they were going to dismiss in this case.
has it been paid in that case?
And we're not sure, but we had, go ahead.
He's waiting for me to pay it. He's not.
Okay, everybody waiting on-
Have the money because I'm not sure.
Everybody's waiting on each other, I mean, and so,
Well, she brought the money to pay it today.
He's on drugs and doing whatever he's doing, so I'll just pay it.
okay, just I'll hold on and see, you can talk to the prosecutor, to see how y'all
The
can,
agreement that I.
how y'all can work that out.
Thank you.
Okay, just have a seat.
artist.
Stephanie Michelle Hamill. And Ms. Hamill, your full name is Stephanie Michelle Hamill?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Ms. Hamill?
I'm good.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Ms. Hamill, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Mark Faggett. And Mr. Faggett, what's your announcement in Ms. Hamill's
Your Honor,
case?
I had an opportunity to visit with Mr. Vernon today regarding this case, and he wants to visit with Mr. Williams.
Hold on a minute, let me see, Hamill. Hold on a minute. Now, what was your announcement?
Well, Your Honor, I'm gonna ask, we had a chance to visit this morning on, they had made an offer. To her, it was not acceptable. I found some things in reviewing the discovery that really brought my attention to this matter. One of them is the state, we're gonna try to work this out, within the next, 3 weeks to a month. One of the forensic lab people they had to disclose under the Martin Act that one of the lab people was found to have switched a sample after she publicly reports in another case. So.
But I was in some other case,
That's
was that
not-
in this case?
Well, I'm not sure. We discovered that, but we need to check in that. But in the interim, I think Mr. Vernon and I could probably work something out that would be more favorable to her. We can get this case disposed.
Okay, well, I'm gonna reset it 2 weeks,
Okay.
but y'all would get that done. This is, Stephanie Michelle Hamill. That's, same date, May 11th, 2026. Yeah.
Yeah.
Should be on that. Okay, Ms. Hammer, you can get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. Cameron Smith,
We can reset, Your Honor. He's a young man.
it was reset.
He was reset. He gave him a week because he's.
Oh, that's right.
When his
That's that
family,
guy.
I think his mother passed away, her father passed
Okay.
away in California.
What's that? Okay, 1 week. That was, so it's reset the next week.
What's the name?
Okay, DeAndre Jordan Lynn Williams. Okay. Mr. Williams, your full name is DeAndre Jordan Lynn Williams. How are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Mr. Williams, you're represented by Mr. Faggett. What's your announcement?
Your Honor, on this case, I think is not quite that old. And I'm gonna ask.
What?
It's 1225 or.
Oh, 1225, yeah.
Okay, here's.
But I
where we're
think
kinda
he
out
must-
of the case. I got an offer from Mr. Vernon today. Unfortunately, in conveying the offer, Mr. Williams is not working now. And I hate to plead him to even defer.
Oh, you say he's not working?
He's not working right now. He's trying to get a job. And,
Okay, there are things that the court can do if the person is indigent.
well, maybe.
You don't
I
have
need
to be
visit with
working to get
Mr.
on
Vernon
probation.
about that, okay?
Okay, well, y'all sit down and talk about it.
Okay.
Killen Falk,
Yes, sir.
okay. Who's the prosecutor on? We don't, oh, that's, oh,
Who's doctor?
trial docket, he's pro se, it's the last case on page 1. And he only has one case. Mr. Falk, your full name is Killen Falk? How you doing, Mr. Falk? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Falk, you are pro se in your case, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Falk, your case is set on the trial docket. Okay? And what's your announcement?
Still trying to get all some witnesses at the moment.
Yeah.
That's in the case.
Hold on a minute. And Mr. Falk,
Yes, sir.
you are pro se, you held to the standard of an attorney because you are your own attorney.
Yes, sir.
The court 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You done had several resets in this case. Give you an opportunity to get prepared.
Sure, well, that's what I'm saying, like, my work skills are working fine.
I understand that, but you are your own attorney. Okay? I mean, everybody have work schedules. The court even have a schedule. Okay? And we got cases that need to be resolved and you disposed of in either by trial, by plea, dismissal, whatever. Yeah. So you can't hold up the court's docket.
Yes, sir.
Actually, it's more than what I thought. 2. Let me see this first time. Notice the setting.
What's the bad?
Condition.
Resets.
Notice the setting. Waiver of counsel. Conditions. Waiver of counsel. There's an explanation. You still looking at your file?
his felony is set for.
Hold on, let me show him. What is that? What is that? Let me show him. Oh. He had a felony set for March 31st.
That bumped to June.
That was. Oh, say. Yeah, this is a
Looks like you got
2024 case, huh?
Yes, sir. The other one was 2020. Let me just make sure. I'm thinking it was the same year.
Same year, not same
6
day.
months. Well, that's what I was.
Yeah, I mean, we can't just hold cases. I mean, with that rationale,
So
if we-
This is 6/8/2024. That's this month.
yeah,
And. No, the other one is from 2025, so it's unrelated.
yeah. So we just can't pull a case back because he gotta
Right.
commit a new one.
Agree.
So what's the state's position? This is on the trial docket.
I'm just seeing a note if he reviewed the discovery in the case.
I know he's been given ample opportunity to because for the last 2 times he came here, we talked about the discovery and him setting up a meeting to go. You went? Okay.
That one's fine.
Okay. It must be good. So we're gonna have to reset Mr. Slaughter. His attorney, Mr. Slaughter, your attorney is in trial in another court, in the district court. So your case needs to be reset. Give him a, it's on a trial docket. Yeah, oh, yeah. I mean, this was transferred from county court at law number 3. Give him a, June 15th for trial. Oh, hear me. Okay, the person that's on Zoom that has Caleb Franklin and somebody have them FaceTiming.
Yes.
Okay, please state your name.
Sir,
What's your name?
Caleb Franklin.
Okay, hold on a minute. Let's see, hold on a minute. Okay, Mr. Franklin, your attorney, I think, is in court in district court. Your case is gonna be reset for 1 week for you to appear in person. Okay? This case is, it's gonna be reset 1 week for you to appear in person, and you need to be here in person, okay? And then when you appear, now, let me tell you this here. You can't appear by FaceTiming on somebody else's phone, and you're gonna have to take a do-rag off your head.
So I was trying to come to my car so you can see what happened. Like the lug nuts in my car, I mean on my wheel, it just fell off. So I was trying to show you that I had to walk all the way back here because I was on my way to court when that happened. So I was just trying to show you that this is what happened. This is why I didn't appear. You know what I'm saying? Like the wheels is actually linked all the way, like almost off. Like I can literally get out and show you right now. And that's the only reason why I didn't appear, sir.
Okay.
And
Is
it's
it
not
located
letting
in
me
Beaumont?
download.
Are
It's
you
not letting me
located?
download
Hey,
Zoom.
let me, Mr. Are you located in Beaumont?
Sir?
Are you located in Beaumont?
Yes, sir. No, I'm in Port Arthur.
Port Arthur,
I'm in
okay.
Port Arthur, and everybody that
Okay.
tried to get to bring me.
Okay, we're gonna reset your case for 1 day. You need to be, huh? You need to be
Say it
in
over,
court.
sir.
You need to be in court tomorrow at 9 a.m. in
Sir,
person.
can we do the week because I have my daughter and I have to find somebody that can watch her. I can't just say I'll
Hey,
be there
you're
without.
supposed to be here today in
Sir?
person.
And I
The
had
last
somebody to watch
time
her
you were
today, but I
supposed to
don't.
appear in person is, we've been going around this here a couple of times. Your case is gonna be, matter of fact, we had already forfeited your bond. Now, I'm giving you an opportunity to appear in person, on tomorrow at 9 a.m. Okay? So you just need to make some arrangements with your, with your child. You have,
I can't
and
make
you
a last
should be
minute
able to.
arrangement because the mom's in hospital. I can't, you know what I'm saying? Like I
Okay,
can't make a
well,
last minute arrangement.
you may have, I can't tell you what to do, but you may have to look at some family members or some friends. You need to be here tomorrow at 9 a.m. Okay?
So what happened to the week? I thought you were gonna give me a week. That was better. That was
No,
more
I
convenient.
changed my mind. I've changed it to 1 day, not 1 week. You need to be here tomorrow at 9 a.m.
So what are they saying? I have a warrant for like for DWI or something. Like what are they saying? Why are they saying that? And I never got a court date for that.
Now, who told you you had a warrant for DWI?
I called my lawyer. I finally got in touch with my lawyer, and the clerk told me
Oh,
today.
so
Like
clerk, okay, well, I don't know about that, but you need to be here tomorrow at 9 a.m.
be 100 with, I got a warrant. I'm not gonna be there.
Okay, well,
If I don't, then
your bond, the bond that was forfeited today is gonna stay in effect today, okay? So we'll see you after you get picked up and brought to jail, and we'll see you on a jail run.
what, sir?
Well, you said you're not coming, so I mean, your bond has already been forfeited. We didn't withdraw we was willing to withdraw the bond forfeiture for you to give you an opportunity to appear here tomorrow at 9 a.m. But you're saying you're not coming, so the bond forfeiture is not being withdrawn, so your bond is forfeited. It's going to stay in effect, okay? So you'll have 2 warrants.
And came to court though. How? Like I'm not saying, I'm not trying to be rude, but I'm trying to say like I have to find somebody to watch my daughter. My daughter's
Okay,
mother.
sir, let's do this here.
All I'm saying. That's
What
all I'm
you
saying.
said, okay, your attorney or somebody told you you had a warrant. And because you didn't have a warrant, that's why you didn't show up. So now you're saying that it's a card, now you got a child excuse. Your bond is forfeited, and we'll see you when you get arrested.
I showed you what was like the tire. That's the reason why. It's not because I got a warrant. It's not because I got.
You told us you had a warrant and you wasn't gonna come.
No, that's not true. Listen to me. I literally found out 15, 20 minutes ago. 20 minutes ago. I've been trying to get in touch with my lawyer for like since 9 o'clock. This happened at like 7 o'clock on my way.
Okay, well, you have a warrant that your bond has been forfeited. And like I told you, you need to be here in person, so your bond is forfeited. Okay.
My bond, like,
your bond, you were supposed to be here at 9 o'clock. You were not here at 9 o'clock. Your name was called. It was after 9 o'clock. It was about what? It was called twice. And it was called twice. You did not appear. You did not answer. And so the state moved to have your bond forfeited. That motion was granted. And so your bond is forfeited. And so the state is not withdrawing the bond forfeiture. Okay? So
I understand what you're saying. And I feel like you did that because you feel like I was being disrespectful. I wasn't. I was just saying
your bond was forfeited. Your bond was forfeited before you even called. And then the court was willing to allow the forfeiture to be withdrawn.
I'm sorry, sir. He hung up.
Oh, okay.
He went ahead and hung up.
Okay.
You have a
All
great
right.
day.
Okay. Let's see. We have Mr. Gertz.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
You have 2 cases on your trial.
I see that.
I'm number 1 for trial in Judge Stevens' court at 1 o'clock.
You are? Okay. And state, Mr. Gertz has a number 1, well, your number 1 setting in Judge Stevens.
Well, it's unlikely that it will be.
We'll see it one. We'll see it one. So
if you want to hold on to mine until after we get a jury seat, that's fine with me.
Well, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just hold on to him.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
I've got
Mr. Wallace is here and Mr. Broussard's here.
Well, they free to go. They can, Wallace, that's Wallace and Broussard?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see
Let
them.
them know if okay. I'll call you.
Okay.
I'll do it. Okay.
All right.
Take care. Take care, Judge.
Okay.
I was hoping to come try it against this youngster right here, but.
No, I was gonna tell you,
Be careful what you wish for.
looks are deceiving.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can't, a lot of times you look at somebody, you may underestimate them.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He and I have been friends for a long time. I
Okay.
don't underestimate him at all.
just because you know.
Worried about getting bit by a snake.
Right.
So, thank you,
Right.
Judge.
Okay,
So
okay. You can, Andre Williams?
Andre Williams.
Now, Mr. Cole,
Yes, Your Honor.
you represent Andre Williams?
Yes, I have Andre Williams and I believe 3 more in your court this morning.
Okay, now, Mr. Williams, well, Mr. Andre Williams' cases are going to be dismissed. I have 2 dismissals that the state, let's see, Cole. Yeah, I have 2 dismissals
Yes, Your Honor.
that the state have filed. So
Yes, sir.
I'm getting ready to, I'm signing these dismissals. Okay, now, Mr. Cole, I just signed the dismissals on Mr. Andre Williams.
Yes, Your Honor.
Next case is David Worsham. Mr. Worsham is here. Mr. Worsham, would you please come forward? Mr. Worsham, your full name is David Samuel Worsham.
That is correct, Your Honor.
How are you doing, Mr. Worsham?
I'm doing good.
That's good. Now, Mr. Worsham, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Giles Cole. And this is one of Miss Nixon's cases.
Yes.
Let's see. Now, Mr. Cole, you were appointed on this case rather in in December of 2025, is December 2nd of 2025, is that correct?
That's correct.
And have you received discovery in this case?
I've received discovery. I spoke with Mr. Worsham about this. Last time he was brought into custody, we had court, I believe he was taken into custody We can set this for tomorrow. I'm sure we can resolve it.
Okay,
Because I'll be in this court, I'll be in your court tomorrow.
okay,
Tomorrow
we'll
morning.
reset it for tomorrow. Okay? You're gonna get your reset and we'll see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. All right, get this worship. Okay. Let's see, he had another one.
Stephen Lee.
Stephen Lee. Oh, he's here, okay. Motion to withdraw grant. Okay, how you doing, Mr. Lee? Okay, now, Mr. Lee, you're represented by Giles Cole. Now, Mr. Cole was just appointed on this case last month, March 20th of 2026, because you had a previous attorney that it was a motion to withdraw. Was the attorney Don Boudreaux. Okay. So, Mr. Cole, have you received discovery in this case?
No, I haven't, Your Honor. I need to check. Don't make me lie, Judge. I'm not sure, but I haven't spoke to Mr. Lee. So if we can get together, give me 30 days.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a standard reset on that time, at that date. You need to have discovery, an offer, and
Yes.
you should have had a conference with your client.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so give us a standard reset, and you need to be here in person on that date.
I will.
What is it? June 1st, 2026. Okay, Mr. Lee, you can get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day.
May I be excused, Judge?
Yes, you're excused. You have a blessed day.
You do the same, Judge. Thank you.
He only had 2 cases.
3 cases.
3 cases? Oh, all 3. Okay. Mr. Jones, would you come back? Would you come forward? Before we get started, you look nice, Mr. Jones. Thank you. All right, you are. Thank you as well. Yeah, it's not every sometimes guys come into court slabbing,
Not us.
yeah, but you came dressed very appropriately. Okay, now, Mr. Jones.
He was sentenced on felony, Judge. He was sentenced on felony.
On the felonies? Okay.
Thank you.
All the same sentence.
Okay, I'm dismissing these 3 cases. You can get a copy of the dismissals from the court coordinator. Once you get a copy of these dismissals, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, you're welcome. Yeah, no, hold on. I'm gonna have to.
No.
The dismissals are coming through now. I'm signing the last one right now.
Good.
Yeah. Oh, it went straight to the trial document. Wow. I guess that's what he announced. I guess that's what he announced. Yeah, because that's the only way we could go to the trial docket if he announced it.
He was appointed on February 10th, and the other day,
March. You, okay. Your attorney is in the hospital? I'm telling you, yeah, your attorney is in the hospital, and so your case has to be reset. Okay, we're going to just give him a standard reset. That's fine, whatever. What was that date we had like 3 cases? Okay. And that's what 15th was that? June 15th? Okay. This case is reset to June 15th for trial. Hopefully, and prayerfully, your attorney will be out of the hospital.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you get your reset.
Thank you.
I'm going well, and yourself?
Okay, the court is back in session. The court is in session in cause number 25 CCCR 0314, case of Style State of Texas versus DeAndre Jordan Lynn Williams. Mr. Williams, is that your full name? Mr. Williams, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Mr. Williams, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Williams? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Williams, you're representing your case by your attorney, Mark Faggett. Mr. Faggett, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor. Thank you.
And Mr. Faggett, do you waive a record in Mr. Williams' case?
We do.
And the state is representing this case by Attorney Fred Vernon. Attorney Vernon, Vernon, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, sir.
That's good. Now, Mr. Williams, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, DeAndre Jordan Lynn Williams, on or about October 27 of 2024, while you in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of failure to identify a fugitive with intent to give false information. Mr. Williams, do you understand what you've been charged with? To this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest?
No contest.
No contest. Now you're pleading no contest freely and voluntarily. And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? Okay, now, Mr. Williams, I also have before me a document that's titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment, also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. You recognize this document? And is this your, well, are these your initials, DW, on a line that's titled no contingent, which means no contest? On page 3 of this same document, there is a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Sir.
And on the next document that's titled trial court certification of the defendant's right of appeal, do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box is checked, states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? Second box is checked, states that you're waiving your right to appeal, which means you're giving up your right to appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have a document that is titled, where's the discovery certification? Oh, I also have a document that is titled discovery certification. You recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Williams, before you sign and initial this document, did your attorney go over this document with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you read and understand everything that your attorney went over? And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Mr. Williams, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State, would you like to offer State's Exhibit Number 1 as evidence?
Yes, sir, we would.
Any objections?
None, Your Honor.
No objections. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Faggett, you advised and counseled Mr. Williams. Is there any evidence that he's currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
Absolutely not.
And Mr. Williams, your attorney, Mr. Faggett, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation? Mr. Williams, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, sir, we do.
And what is that agreement?
11 days of time served.
Okay.
Tax and retire costs.
Tax and retire costs.
Okay, Mr. Williams, the state is offering that you serve 11 days in Jefferson County Jail, but you will not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you've already served 11 days in Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for the time that you've already served. The court costs in this case will be taxed and retired. That simply means that the time that you spent in jail has already paid off the court costs. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Mr. Williams, do you understand the state's offer? Do you think the state's offer in your case is fair and just? And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes,
Mr. Williams, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Mr. Williams, you will stand at the end of that table, follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Faggett, I think this is your last case. You're free to
waiting
go.
on
Oh, that's right.
And come back with payment.
Okay. And we getting ready to do Mr.